how to fix Roblox account is already linked to another account. Now this is just a very easy fix as long as we will filing out necessary information to the Roblox customer support. Now if you're currently on the registration page, all you just have to do is just to change the very last text on the URL and just simply type in support. Now you will then be redirected to contact as information are here that you need to fill out. Now add the username that is currently on another account, which is actually not yours, or maybe you have forgotten that. Now add the email address, and you'll have to do it twice to confirm. And then in here, the device that you're having problem on, is just choose it if it's either through PC or PlayStation or any device that you remember. Now, on the type of help category is going to be data privacy request. Now, on help subcategory is right to be forgotten and right of access. Now, in here, you just have to be specific and let them know that you did not create the account that was being duplicated, or maybe you have forgotten that account to be deleted so you can create the account that you are previously creating. That is how you fixed this account is already linked to another account in Roblox.